English version, class 5, chapter 8, length measurement. If you see in the chapter 8, you can see three different parts. The first part in here, length management. Number 1, length measurement. Choose the multiple question. What is the smallest unit of the length? Here, millimeter, meter, millimeter, centimeter, and hectometer. It means millimeter. Reason, among the option 1 millimeter is the smallest, and 2, the length of the rectangular 50 meter and wide 30 meter. What is the total length of the two side of the meter? 20, 30, and 50. 80. It is the 80. Thus, reason, a rectangular has two length and two wide. Okay. And number 3, once Arif birthday cake weighing 1 kilogram with cut and distribute among 10 friends. How many cake purchase? It means 100 decigram, decagram, 100 decigram, 100 decagrams, 10 decagrams, and 10 hectograms. It means 10 C, 10 decagrams. We know that 1 kg equal to 10 100 decagram divided by 10 friend equal to 10 decagram. Okay, thank you. English version mathematics, class 5, chapter 8, length measurement. Number 2, Raju's height 1.35 meter and his brother height 9.6 decimeter. What is the difference between them in centimeter? In this type math, we first we decide that what exactly want the math. If they want to meter, we will be convert all of them in meter. If want centimeter, we will convert all of them in centimeter. Okay. In the measurement type mathematics, we will convert all of the requirement. Here Raju height, here this math they want to answer in centimeter. Then Raju height 1.35 centimeter equal to 135 centimeter, because 1 we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then brother height 9.6 decimeter, that means 96 centimeters, because 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Then difference 135 minus 96 equal to 39 centimeters. Thank you. English version mathematics, class 5, chapter 8, length management. Number 3, a tailor has 375 decimeter of cloth. Now, if you want to make 15 shirt with this cloth, how many centimeters of cloth can be used of each shirt? Here we know 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, I told already, here is this type math. What will be one the answer? We will be convert all of them the same unit. Okay, in this math they want in answer in the centimeter. That means we need to convert all of them in the centimeter. Then 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Then cloth have 375 decimeter. That means 375 into 10 equal to 3750 centimeter. Then cloth per shirt 3750 divided by 15 equal to 215 centimeter. Answer 250 centimeter. English version, class 5, mathematics, chapter 8, length measurement. Number 4. Hafiz bought 4.5 kg of rice, 8 hectogram of vegetable and 2400 grams of chicken from the market. How many kilograms did he buy in total? I already told this type of math you need to convert all unit. That's math 1. In this math, answer 1 to in kilogram, so we need to convert them in all kilogram. Then we know that 10 hectogram equal to 1 kg and 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Then we need to convert rice 4.5 kg, it's already in kg, and 8 hectogram of vegetable, that means 8 divided by 10 equal to 0.8 kg, and 2400 grams of chicken. That means if we divide it by 1000, that means 2.4 kg. Then he total bought 4.5 plus 0.8 plus 2.4 equal to 7.7 kg. Thank you. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 length management number 5. 5. 8 people weight 451.2 kg. So how many hectogram will their average weight be? I already told, if the answer 1 to hectogram, that we need to convert them all of them in hectogram. And we know that 1 kilogram equal to 10 hectogram. Okay, that the total weight of 451.2 kg. Here need to convert in hectogram equal to into 10, that means 4512 hectogram. Then average weight, average how many people? 8 people, that means 4512 divided by 8 equal to 564 hectogram. Thank you. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 length measurement number 6. There were 75 centiliter of mustard oil in a bottle. Shanta's mother used 170 milliliters oil from while cooking. So how many liters oil of in left? Here centiliter, milliliter and liter. The math need to answer in liter, so we convert all of them in liter. Okay, then we know that 1 centiliter equal to 10 milliliter and 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Then in a shell 75 centiliter, there 75 into 10, that means 750 milliliter used on 70 milliliter. Then left 750 minus 170 equal to 580 milliliter. Left 580 divided by 1000 equal to 0.58 liter. Answer 0.58 liter. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 length measurement number 7. A shop sell 20 liter of water bottle in 8 days. So how many deciliter of water are sold on average daily in that shop? We know 1 liter equal to 10 deciliter. Okay, then we need to convert all of the unit that the math want. This math want to deciliter, in unit deciliter. Then we need to convert all of them in deciliter. Okay, and total 20 liter of water bottle in 8 day. The 20 liter into 10 equal to 200 deciliter. Then average sale in daily 200 divided by 8 equal to 25 deciliter. Answer 25 deciliter. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Length Measurement, Number 8. Russell bought 250 milliliter packet of milk from the market. Now, if he buy 40 more packets of milk, how many liter milk will he get? We know 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter, and first bought 250 milliliter, and new bought 40 new 250 milliliter. That means 40 into 250 milliliter equal to 10,000 milliliter. So he total bought 250 plus 10,000 equal to 10,250 milliliter. Then total, the answer will be liter. Okay, then we need to convert them in liter, and 10,250 convert to liter. That means we know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 10,250 divided by 1 equal to 10.25 liters. Thank you. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Length Measurement, Number 9. Mim walk 42 meter per minute and Mihir walk 80 centimeter per second. They both walk 3.6 kilometer per day. Then YA, how many minutes does Mini walk per day? And B, how many minutes does Mihir walk per day? We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, and 60 second equal to 1 minute. Then walking 3.6 kilometer, it means 3.6 into 1000 equal to 3600 meters. Then Mim walks 42 meters per minute equal to 600 3600 divided by 42 meter per minute, 85.71 minute. And number B, how many minutes does Mihir walk? Then we know, as far I already mentioned, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, 60 second equal to 1 minute. Then he walked 3.6 kilometer equal 3600 meter. The Mihir walked 80 centimeter per second. 80 centimeter per second, then per second 60 second equal to 1 minute. Then 80 into 60. Okay, then 480 centimeter per minute. Then 4800 centimeters divided by 100 equal to 48 meters per minute. Then Mihir walk 3600 divided by 48 equal to 75 minutes.